Alright, in today's free trading video and market analysis for the MiniAnalyst.com, I'm Kenny, your host and senior research analyst. First thing we're looking at is our dynamics. The intraday dynamics. These are our proprietary indicators. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bang, 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 bang. And what are we looking at here? Well, we last talked about this huge move following the Fed's market's disappointment that they eased only a quarter point on the discount rate, and had some short-term euphoria due to the cash infusion announced by the Fed the following or overnight. Said it had nothing to do with this reaction, but obviously it did. More than likely so, but just not quite enough to buttress the market here. And although we did see some green, still had some strong red there, and pretty much indicative of a choppy and neutral environment that we're in. And that's exactly what we've seen. We'll look at the daily chart here in a second, but that's where we are. We're predominantly neutral, in a neutral zone here. And as you can see, we're trying to hold support in the ER contract. This is the 08. The March 08, and trying to hold this support, not really doing so well. So now we have this support around 765, and where are we on our indicators? Well, obviously we see why we weren't able to see some follow through here on this move late in the day yesterday, and that's because it was just red, a little bit of green, but definitely a bearish sentiment here and suggested of a lower open today, which we got. However, having said that, we did get some green here today, so we've got some green, some positive divergences here. So where does this leave us? Again, predominantly in the neutral zone, above 775 in the ER2, be buyers. Below 763, you definitely want to be selling in the market because we do anticipate probably that we'll get a move higher. We're going to switch over to, an explosive move, I should say. We're going to switch over to the daily chart of the S&P 500 cash market, which we've come to know and love so well. Well, ironically, our last sell point, 1520, bang. Didn't even quite catch this, but our last sell point was 1520. Of course, down to 1450, 1420. Didn't reach our third target. Got stopped. Had some short-term bullish exposure for a move up to 1490, which we caught, and then moved to short-term bullish, or actually officially bullish. Didn't catch the move at 1520, but man, that was another great selling opportunity. Of course, Fed day, definitely don't like to play the Fed days, but our systems fortunately caught the move in magnificent fashion. Then we got this move. So where are we now? We're just in the thick of things. We are neutral. All this says bullish, technically bearish, one would argue. So this probably needs to be changed, but certainly bullish, bearish leaves us at neutral. Below this, obviously, we'll be bearish, and above here, which is 1490, again the pivotal mark, 1490, support, resistance, breakthrough, failed attempt. So above 1490, we'll be back to the fully bullish, and below 14, we'll call it 70, back to the bearish side. But within 70 to 90, obviously, you just want to be short-term, catching these short-term scalping moves. So down here, of course, neutral, rolling over a little bit, but still arguably short-term bullish, and so we could go higher. Let the market decide. Over 90, bullish. Below 70 in the cash, bearish. So just a neutral zone. Not really much to talk about over the last couple of days. So where have our systems been? Well, let's look at our swing system 5.0, the Dow. A lot of you guys have showed interest in. Of course, how can you not with a trade of going long at 12,864, I believe, and reaching a high of 1,000 points on the plus side, giving a little bit of that back, obviously, here. But we're still long, so the system's still long. We'll scroll back a little bit. Had a couple of stop outs there. Oh, just beautiful trades. Look at these. Whoa. Just buy and then sell again. Quick buy. That nets out. And then sell. Little loss there. Buy, sell. Just beautiful trades. And this, of course, once this green line comes in here, hopefully it'll be even higher. So that's where we are there. Here's our ES Day Trader 1.0 in a nice long position. It was nicer about an hour ago. But some nice trades here. Obviously, catching the short side. Boom, 1, 2, 3, 4, and another winner. So 5 out of the last 6 winners there. Where's the grind at? The grinder just went short. Interesting. But huge catch move there. Went short down here. I was a little bit worried there, but it came through very nicely that day. And of course, boom, just trade, not beautiful trades here. Just beautiful trades here. Going all the way back, just catching these big winners and little bitty losses. Little bitty losses. Reminds me of Bob Ross. Just a little bitty loss lives there, and these big winners, like the big sequoias. So where are we now? There's the look at the Day Trader 5.0. Caught a nice move. Oh, look at this thing. Let's see if we can scroll back here a little ways. There we go. Look at this. 1, 2, 3. These, of course, all non-correlated strategies. We're running a little low on time here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the last 7 trades, and this was a relatively small loss. Just got, closed by the exit had we held on or had a move higher. But 6 of the last 7 of these winners. And of course, all these strategies are available in our MapDT version 2.0, our Delta DT. Those are all the day traders. If you guys, and of course, they're in our Swinger DT models and our Delta 20s and so on and so forth. Speaking of which, let's go ahead and, before I switch over to that, let's look here at, just don't know what to do with these two systems. We've been sitting on these two for about a year. They really need the right market environment to participate, and just after seeing what these guys have done over the last year, it would just be a shame not to offer this to you all. So that's probably what we're going to do. The Swinger D and the Swing ESR is what we're going to call them. These are swing models. Here is the Swing ESR, and as you can see, it's short now, but just beautiful trades. Nice long, beautiful trades. I'll scroll back a little bit. Just winners abound. Just winners everywhere. A little choppy there. Beautiful trades here. Just amazing. Huge winners there. Just scroll back and just let you guys just enjoy. Look at that. Long, short, just long, short. Those kind of net. Another big, long. Oh, I'm going backwards. A little bit choppy there. Oh, does that look gorgeous or what? I mean, and this is the whole year. Look at this. I just can't even go on. Just can't even go on. So if you guys are interested, this is going to be a package. It's a little choppy there. Beautiful setups. This beautiful. Of course, these mean winners. These cyan lines here, but just beautiful sets as we scroll back through the year. Just whoa, look at that. 1350. Quick 40-point move in about a week or so. And similar setups here, but certainly a different market, different setups, but just similar performance, I should say, in trading E-mini Russell as we scroll back. Actually, we don't have as much data, but as you can see, just beautiful winners on these. These are going to be a package, and I'm not sure what we're going to call it, but you'll be able to trade these individually. A lot of our swings aren't available individually, but you'll be able to trade these for, I believe, $200 a month, or actually it won't be $200 a month, it'll be $500 for 3 months. And you'll be able to trade both of these. So if you guys are interested, shoot us an email at admin@MiniAnalyst.com. If you're interested in these strategies or any of our other portfolios, we had a lot of great specials on the website. Right there. Go to the website. And if you really want to hit the gold mine, hit the Delta portfolios. And scroll all the way down. And you can just have your pick of all of our great portfolios. Or, of course, if you're interested in the package deal there, I'm not sure what we're going to call it, the swing package, you can write in. We'll go ahead and take another $100 off of that for the 3-month subscription, $400 for 3 months if you guys are interested in the new swing package. And hope you guys have a great weekend. And we'll see you next time.